So, IFS therapy revolves around a therapist helping their clients navigate their systems and connect with their different parts. But this raises the question, how do I actually navigate my system and connect with my parts, John? Well, I'm glad you asked. Your therapist will use something called the 6Fs. The 6Fs are the bread and butter of IFS therapy, and it's where 90% of the work happens. So let me break these down. The 6F stands for finding a part. This is where we try to locate and identify the target part you and your therapist want to work on. You want a part that's activated, that's present, and relevant to the issue at hand. This step is critical because it sets the foundation for the rest of the work that you're going to be doing in that therapy session. Once you find that part, the next F is focus. The focusing stage is all about deepening your internal attention by bringing the target part into clearer focus. You do this so that you can begin to form a relationship with the target part. There's a distinct shift from talking about a part to somatically connecting with a part. That means connecting with the feeling of the part that's showing up in your body. Somatic body, just so you know. After the focusing stage, the next F is feel towards. Over the course of your IFS therapy session, your therapist will ask you, how do you feel towards the target part that you're working on? While this will be very annoying because it's going to happen over and over again, it's important because it helps to clarify if you're relating to the target part from a place of self or if another part is trying to hijack and interfere with your connection with the target part. After feel towards, the next F is fleshing out. The fleshing out stage is all about deepening your understanding of the target part. You will be asking it questions so you can gain a rich, detailed story of its role, its feelings, its beliefs, its history. The part starts to actually share its perspective, and this helps you understand why the part is the way it is and why it protects you the way that it does. Again, I know this sounds crazy. Trust the process. You will see all this in action. After a part is fleshed out, the next F is for befriending. The befriending stage happens alongside every other F. It's just you acknowledging your part, showing it love and compassion, and deepening the connection between you and the target part. You're trying to connect with it. The befriending stage is going to look very direct at times, but very subtle at other times. It's hard to really explain, honestly. Anyway, after the befriending stage, the next F is exploring the fears of the target part. Your parts all have fears of what would happen if they didn't perform in the roles that they've learned over the years. So this stage is all about understanding what the part is afraid of if it didn't do the job of protecting you from your trauma. So those are the 6Fs. Understanding the 6Fs is very important in understanding what's going on in IFS therapy.